If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Cardano video update. Yesterday I made I ended up making a video talking about a 33% potential move, and it seems like we started breaking out of this structure that I've given you in yesterday's video. And I'm actually gonna zoom in into the 4-hour time frame right there, and we have actually started to break out. And if you look at this thing, you've actually do something pretty incredible, and that is breaking out of it and making a doji right to that support level. So you can see this right here is something pretty beautiful. I told you about stop loss at 3057, so that's actually going to be a 5-6% risk, and you might be looking for a 31%. To me personally, this is in play. Okay, this does look like it is in play at the moment, because even Bitcoin looks a little bit good right now. And for me personally, I think you really don't want to come to 3057. If you come to 3057 and start to hit your head below, closing below like this, then that's going to mean that the retest failed and this still is your resistance, and all you did is made a fake out to the upside. Okay, so for me personally, I'm not gonna make a long video about it. I just want to talk about this pattern. So zooming out, you do have resistance, fake out like this. This is what I'm making you aware of. So you don't want to make fake out like that one. You see, it's the same as saying that if I was back in the days, same thing happened here as well, right? Where you actually try to break out, backtest a little, and then what happened? I could have told you that put your stop loss at 3170 if you were trading right over here somewhere, because if this is going to come down here and close below like this, then it's going to go down. That's the very same thing here as well. If you do something like this, go like this, do something like this, then you're going to continue lower, and that's actually a fake out. So makes sense, right? And from here, because you're above the resistance now and you're making a doji as well to move higher, then we want to keep holding this structure and move. Even if you move slowly like a tortoise, it's okay, but you just want to keep moving to the upside. So that's pretty much it for this update. You don't want to lose 3057. Again, let me warn you that, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.